Are you struggling on the gram? Do you want to step up your Instagram game? Well, girl, I got you. If you want me to hook you up with 10 Instagram posts that's gonna have everybody asking if you're a model, keep on watching and hit that subscribe button and I'm gonna hook you up. So, chicas, I know I haven't gone for a little bit, but I'm back now. So we're gonna get right into it. I got my notebook, I got all the poses written down. So for the first one, okay, so this pose is called the backside. So if you know, your booty's looking good today, or you have a nice pretty dress, or you have like an open back, this is gonna be the pose you wanna do. Or if you wanna just have that poppin', sassy, look back at it kind of pose. So all you're gonna do is pretty much face your back at the camera or whoever's taking your picture. And then what you do is you just look back as far as you can. Now, I'm not saying like, but look back as far as you can to where it doesn't look awkward. So you just look back at the camera. I like to raise one of my shoulders and just kind of go like that and look back at, you know, the camera. That's really cute. It shows off your highlights, you know. That's like a really easy pose you could do. So pose number 2, baby. This one is called the lean with it. Lean with it. Rock 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 with it. Lean with it. All you're gonna do for this one, boo, is you're gonna stand slightly sideways. So you literally just turn your body sideways. Like not like completely sideways, just like slightly. You bend your leg that's closest to the camera. So like the leg that's on this side. And then you just lean backwards. And now you have like a nice model, lean, Vogue cover pose. Okay, boo, so now we have the hip pop. So all you do is you literally just stand straight towards the camera. This is the one like I always like, my go-to pose. You pop one hip and then lean the other way. So if I pop my left hip, then I'm gonna lean to the right, if that makes sense. So if I like pop this left hip, then I'm gonna lean to the right like that. And then put your hand on your hip that is popped. And put your other hand in your hair. You can either go like this, or you can, if you're wearing glasses, you can hold the glasses, but I'll show you guys like how to do that one. Okay, so this is a pose if you're sitting in a chair, like if you ever want to take a picture in a chair, like if you're in a coffee shop, or I don't know, you saw a cute chair, you're like, I gotta take a picture in that chair. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit with your legs open, almost as if you're in like a butterfly kind of position. You don't have to open your legs, but I feel like, I don't know, it just adds to the pose. So you sit with your legs open, you raise one of your shoulders, doesn't matter. So you pick a shoulder, you raise it, you kind of slouch the other shoulder. So if this one is going in the air, then you slouch the other one and then you let the slouched arm sit in your lap, just like gently. And then you want to tilt your head towards the raised shoulder. Okay, so for the next pose, what you're going to do is you're going to stand to the side. This is probably similar to like another one. What you're going to do is you're going to stand to the side. You're going to lean back and then sort of twist your torso. And then you're gonna take your arm closest to this side of you, sort of like put it on top of your, like the back of your head. And then you're gonna take your other hand and you're gonna put it around your neck. And now you have like a really cute leant back kind of pose. Okay, so this is another sitting pose if you're in a chair or you just want to sit down or something. I don't know. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put one of your legs up like on the chair, and you're gonna leave the other leg down. Then you're gonna take your hand that's the same leg that's on the same side as the leg that's up, and you're just gonna put it on there. You're just gonna rest it on there. Then you're gonna let your other hand like just dangle in the middle of the leg. And then what you want to do lastly is lean towards the bent leg, and now you have a cute on the chair kind of pose. Okay, so the next pose is another standing pose. So this one's pretty basic. This is good for if you're standing like near a wall or something. So you're gonna stand straight, cross your leg. You're just gonna lean on the wall. You're gonna put your elbow on the wall and sort of have your hand dangle just gently, like not on your head, just very natural. Just put your arm on the wall, have it dangle just like that. And then you're leaning towards the side that this arm is on as well, and you're good to go. Okay, so the next pose is another crossing your legs pose. It's pretty much the same thing, but this one just has a different hand placement. So for this one, you want to turn slightly. You're gonna cross your legs, and then all you're gonna do, boo, is put your hands on your hip very gently, very natural. Lean one of your shoulders forward or back. It doesn't matter which shoulder goes forward or back. They both do the same thing. So you put your hands on your hip and then you just lean one of your shoulders forward and the other one will go back, or you can do the opposite side and your legs are crossed, and you can do whatever with your facial expression. So the next one is another sitting pose. So all you're gonna do is turn sideways as if somebody was taking your picture. You're gonna cross your legs. You're gonna place, this one's very basic. You're gonna place both your hands on top of each other. So you're gonna lean back and then tilt the opposite shoulder towards the camera. Skills. Okay, so for the last one, this is a very fierce confidence, you know, bring whatever you got to the table kind of look. It's very simple. All you do is stand straight at the camera. You open your legs just a little bit, not like a full-on split. Twist. You're not twisting your whole body. All you're doing is twisting your torso, which is like, you know, the midsection. So you just twist your torso. Take your hands and you push your hair behind your ear. Push your hair behind your ear. Your torso is tilted, and then you make a very fierce look at the camera. And then the other hand, you can do whatever. You can just leave it hanging, or you can put it on your hip. You just tilt, push behind your hair, leave your other arm hanging, and then you just look very fierce. Just blow at the camera. Bring your confidence. Even if you don't feel like you have confidence, you're gonna bring it to the table for this picture. So that is all the poses that your girl has. If you guys like this, because I had tons more poses that I could hook you up with. If you guys like these poses kind of videos, comment below. Do me a favor, boo. If you want me to do some more poses for the gram, for taking your pictures, all I need you to do is thumbs up this video and comment anything below. It can be a dot, it can be a question mark, you know, whatever, and I got you, boo. Also, if you want me to do a video on facial expressions, because I know facial expressions can be very hard. You're like, girl, what do I do with my face? I don't know. Let me know below if you want me to do a facial expressions video too. Make sure you're subscribed and your notifications are on so that you don't miss a video from your girl. And I will catch you in my next video. Peace. Let's just get a little bit lit together.